Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. My name is Ariel and this is another video, a part of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. So check the link in the description for that. But today I'm sharing with you guys how to get that high-end colored glass look for free. Okay, so these are just some pictures from Pinterest that I absolutely love. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed with the colored glass look. And I just had an instant light bulb moment and realized that you could probably get this look by recycling bottles that you already have at home. So I'm using quite a few different bottles in this video, and basically I'm just cleaning them all up with some Goo Gone and some multi-surface spray. Some of them I had to get the top layer of the sticker off with soap and water first, but for the most part Goo Gone got them off really easily. So here's that wine bottle all cleaned up. Next, I'm going to do this candle jar. I actually had two of these that were identical, and it was an apple caramel candle that my mom had purchased a while back, and she just kind of saved the jars because she thought I could do something with them, and that's what really just catapulted this whole project, because I thought the red was perfect for Christmas, which is why I'm sharing this as a part of my 25 days of Christmas playlist. Again, that will be linked in the description. On this channel, I do home decor and home improvement projects on a budget, and that also includes shop with me videos, hauls, and budget-friendly thrift flips. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then it would mean the world to me if you would consider subscribing. I'm really trying to get to 300, and it would really make my day if you would share my content and consider subscribing. Can you believe that this was actually a bottle of soup? I definitely encourage you to search your house for whatever you can use to make this if you are like me and you really like the colored glass look. I have used lotion bottles. There's a lotion bottle that I have that's green glass and it's gorgeous, and I'm actually going to be using it for a soap pump in my downstairs bathroom. But I've also used shampoo bottles. This one is a plastic shampoo bottle, and it's just to show you guys that if you guys have children and you're afraid of the glass, then you could totally use something plastic to get this look as well. I've seen at TJ Maxx there's tons of like spray bottles that have the colored glass look, but they're actually plastic. And for the plastic ones, I just recommend putting beads or something in the bottom to weigh it down so that it doesn't tip over when you put in your florals. Also, all of these florals that were used either were from the thrift store or from the dollar store. So let me know in the comments if you guys have anything in your house that's already colored glass that you could use for something like this. And I hope you will consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful holiday.